morning, my dear students. I really miss you all. I hope you're all in good health. First, open your book, page number 575. Last session we took part of a whole, and today we'll complete this lesson. Open the next page, 577. Before we will start that lesson, let's watch a video to remember us what's meant by a fraction.
Welcome to Moo Moo Math, where we upload a new math video every day. In this video, I'd like to talk about fractions. Let's begin with a story. Imagine you are out with your friends eating pizza. You have ordered 3 pizzas. You can easily count the 3 pizzas. However, what if you eat some of the pizza and you only have this much remaining? How do you count the amount of pizza you have now? Never fear. You can use fractions to count how much you have. Fractions are used to represent parts of a whole. A fraction has 2 parts. The bottom part is called the denominator and tells you how many pieces the object has been divided into. The top part, called the numerator, tells you how many pieces you have. For a fraction to work, the parts must be equal. Let's look at some circles that are shaded in order to help with fractions. How can we write a fraction for this circle, for the shaded parts? The circle has been divided into 7 pieces, so that would be our denominator. We have 2 of those pieces shaded, so that would be our top number, also called the numerator. The next circle has been divided into 6 pieces, and 2 of those have been shaded. We can write this as 2 over 6. This rectangle has been divided into 5 equal parts, and 2 of those are red. For the red section, we could write the fraction as 2 over 5. However, fractions are everywhere. For example, imagine you have 6 pets. You have 3 dogs, 2 cats, and a fish. If you wanted to write a fraction of your pets, the denominator would be 6 because you have 6 pets total. And you have 3 dogs, so that would be the numerator. You have 2 cats and 1 fish. In summary, fractions are used to represent parts of a whole. A fraction has 2 parts. The bottom number, denominator, represents how many total parts of the object has been divided into. The top number represents how many parts of these you have. Thanks for watching. Please share if you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Moo Moo Math uploads a new math video every day.
After finishing this video, let's complete this lesson. So we will start with example number 6. Example number 6. What fraction of the honeycomb has bees? First, draw a line here to separate between these 2 numbers, numerator and denominator. So, down you will write total number of parts. So here, how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here 6. And up you will write numerator. Number of parts have bees. So here, how many parts have bees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So when you read this fraction, you say 5/6. 5/6. Okay. Example number 7. What fraction of the figure is not shaded? First, you will draw a line to separate between these 2 numbers, and down you will write the number of total parts. So here, how many total parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. Right here, 3. And up you will write number of parts are not shaded. So here there is only one part is not shaded. So right here 1. When you read that fraction, you will say 1/3, 1/3, as 1 is singular number. Here, shade each figure to represent the fraction. Number 8. First look at the total parts. 4. Shaded and not shaded. So here 4 and up number of parts are shaded. So here shaded 2 parts only, as here number of parts are shaded, and here total parts shaded and not shaded. Okay, so shade here 2 parts only. So when you read that fraction, you will say 2/4, 2/4, as 2 is plural number, consists from 2 parts, 1 and 2. Number 10. 2 halves, 2 halves. So total parts here will equal what? 2. And here up number of parts are shaded. So here you will shade 2 parts, 1 and 2. And here number of parts are shaded. Okay? So when you read that fraction, you will say 2 halves, 2 halves. In this question, match each fraction to its word name. Number 11. When you read that fraction, you will say 3/8, 3/8, as 3 is plural number. Where is 3/8 here? That's 5/6, and that's 3/4, and that's 3/8. So draw a line here to connect between them. Number 12. When you read this, you will say 5/6, 5/6. So where is 5/6 here? This. So draw a line here to connect between them. Number 13. When you read that fraction, you will say 3/4. Where is this? Draw a line to connect between them. And here, solve number 9 is the same way by yourself. Open the next page, problem solving, page number 578. Example number 18. Draw and shade a model to represent the fraction 3/4. First, draw any shape. Okay. Here, I will draw a rectangle. And first, you will look at total parts. How many total parts here? 4 parts. So divide that rectangular into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then look at up numerator, and what the parts are shaded here? 3 parts. So shade 3 parts here. 1, 2, 3. When you read that fraction, you will say 3/4, 3/4. And homework page number 579 and 580. Thanks.